Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify final paycheck with ADP detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your final paycheck with ADP, begin by visiting the ADP website. Log into your employee account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Pay section of the dashboard. Select Pay Statements from the available options. Locate your final paycheck in the list of pay statements. Click on the paycheck to open the detailed view. Review the gross pay and ensure it reflects your final earnings. Check the deductions listed, including taxes and any benefits. Verify that your hours worked match your records for the final period. Make sure any accrued vacation or PTO is included in the final amount. Confirm that your net pay is accurate and matches your expected final paycheck. If you find discrepancies, take note of the specific issues. Contact your HR department for assistance with any discrepancies. Provide them with a detailed account of what is incorrect. Follow up to ensure that any necessary adjustments are made. Keep a copy of your final paycheck for your records. Monitor your bank account for the direct deposit to ensure it matches. Once everything is verified, you can rest assured that your final paycheck is accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.